Okay guys, I got a 2000 Odyssey here, and I'm trying to get the air to come out these vents right here. It just won't come out the vents. 2000 Honda Odyssey with a 3.0. I'm going to show you a quick fix. So if you're hot or you're cold and you need that air to blow out of there for the time being until you can fix the problem, I'm going to explain to you how to fix it too. But this is just a quick tip on how to make it happen for now. So we're going to go down here by our feet. Here's the gas pedal. Go right up there to the right. This is called your blend door actuator. There's two rods, bottom and top. Take this top one, this just flicks off sideways, and pull the rod out. Now check this out. Pull that down. If it's up, it comes through defrost or floor. If it's down, it comes through the vents. Right there. So now the air is coming out the vents. That's a quick fix so that you can get air out your vents immediately if you need it. Now, if you need to know how to change this blend door actuator, click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos, and I'll show you exactly how to remove that and put it back in. So I hope this video helps you out. Please click like, please click subscribe, click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos, and as always guys, enjoy.